Bartos Group, Premier Plus Realty. And where the heck am I today? Well, I am at Model Village. It's 1152 Bald Eagle Drive, and the unit we're talking about today is A9. I'm going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you want to buy this unit. So number one, I'm sure as you can already see, is this fantastic location. This unit is beautifully located here in Old Marco, right on the water. You have a great shot of this canal coming and going from the unit. And if you don't want to take the stairs, there is an elevator. All right, so now that we are inside this unit, I want to talk about a couple other reasons why this is a great buy. Number one is rental income. This would be a great rental, as it was for the owners previous. You can rent this up to 12 times a year, 30 days minimal, so it's a monthly. High season, you can get about $4,200 to $4,500 a month, and then off season about $1,500. So this could definitely bring in a good rental income for you guys if you're an investor. Another great reason, number 3 I think we're at now, that you would want to buy this unit is the community. This Model Village is a smaller condo complex, so it's really tight-knit. Everyone's so friendly. They get together for happy hours and social occasions. Really sweet community to be a part of. All right, you guys, now we are out back on this unit's lovely balcony, and there's a couple other reasons why this is a good buy, and I brought you outside to talk about those. Another great reason to buy this unit is because not only are we in Old Marco and on the water, but you are close to so many things in walking distance. We've got the Snook Inn right here. We've got Cafe de Marco, Smith House, the new bar that they put over there. So this is a great local spot. A lot of these restaurants are where the locals go to. You know, South End can get a little busy with tourists, and this Old Marco location is fantastic if you want to have a good local spot, easy walking distance, grab a drink, stumble home. It's perfect. Another great reason that this unit is so special is the fees in here, you guys, are crazy low. You're paying under $400, which is very rare when you're looking at Marco and on the water. So the fees mixed with what rental income you can bring in, it's an awesome buy.